Welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you a dip powder removal at home. First of all, I have my dust collector here, and then I'm going to go in with a carbide bit, and then I'm going to show you how to remove your dip powder nails. First of all, you want to go on a pretty high speed, and you want to move that drill bit from one side of the nail to the other, not staying in one position for too long. And if you do stay in one position for too long, you'll get heat spikes. So do not do that. You just want to keep on moving the drill bit from one side of the nail to the other to remove your dip powder nails at home. I'm going to show you how to do a DIY glitter dip mani. We are going to be doing how to do glitter dip nails at home. So here I'm removing my dip powder. I'm going from one side to the other. This is an extra coarse drill bit. I am moving on a very high speed. I'm either going from side to side of the nail or up and down to remove the dip powder nails. And I want to keep on going until the color is off. You do not want to file your natural nails. Then to start our DIY glitter dip mani, I'm going to be using a gel method today to dip these nails. We're going to be doing dip powder nails with gel. This is IBD base gel, and I used a dip powder color that I got from Amazon. It is a really nice blush color, and we are going to be dipping our nails with gel using the pour over method. I pour over the dip powder with a little spoon, and I have my cupcake tray here. Again, we are doing dip powder nails with gel, base gel, and we are using the pour over method after we removed our dip powder nails. And after I dip over that one time, I like to just tap the nail in upside down into the cupcake tray to really ensure that the gel sucked up all of the dip powder. I am doing the same thing with the base gel, and I am dipping in on the pinky finger. And again, we are doing this dip powder mani with gel. You can use any gel you have at home. I am doing the dip powder and pouring over method, and then I am tapping the nail to make sure that the powder absorbed completely into the gel. And I am having a giveaway, you guys, so make sure you are subscribed at 1,000 subscribers. Now here I'm going to show you guys how to do glitter dip at home. So how to use glitter dips for dip powder. How to dip with glitter, basically. I like to pour over first, and then after I pour over, I like to pat in, and then I'm going to flip my hand upside down and dip into the tray. I find that this is the best way to do dip powder nails with dip glitter. It is much easier, and you ensure that you get full opacity. So first of all, I do like to pour over. It gets all those fine glitters and the base color down, and then after you pour over onto your wet gel, I like to do the second layer. I do like to press into the nail, and of course in between all these layers, because we are doing a gel dip mani with gel, we are curing in between. So you guys see how I got that base color down, and then I'm going to go in and flip my hand in there to get all those chunky glitters. And this is such an easy way to do dip powder with chunky glitters. Really easy. So I pour over first of all into the wet gel, and then after I cure that, I go in and flip my hand right into the pot. And you can also place glitters where you want them when you are using a gel dip method. It is much easier than using dip liquids because you do not have to worry about cure time. So I did buff these and file these off camera, and now I'm going to show you guys how I adhere crystals to dip powder nails. I adhere crystals to dip powder nails either using dip powder base, or you can use any kind of jewelry gel, and then go over that with a no wipe top coat, and then go straight in with your crystals. So here I am adhering the crystals on the Dip Mani nails. I have this long chain here. This is from AliExpress, and then I'm adhering these crystals on the sides of the nails. I really, really love the way that these turned out. We did a dip removal today, and we did a glitter Dip Mani using base gel. I really enjoyed these. I hope you guys did too. Don't forget to subscribe. I do have a giveaway going on at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed. And yeah, I absolutely love these dip powder nails. We learned how to use chunky glitters, how to dip with chunky glitters, and we removed our dip powder nails. So super easy. And I'm going in with this Gelexer no wipe top coat right on top of these nails. They are absolutely beautiful. I love them. I hope you guys did too. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.